Hi, I'm Keith McAvoy and I'm a Success Catalyst. And what I do is I help people to live the most fulfilling life that they can possibly have. And I do this by training and teaching a very simple success system that actually works and has delivered amazing benefits and improvements in the quality of life for thousands of people. So what I'm going to do today is actually bust a few of the success myths that are out there. And these myths are pretty soul-destroying because they're holding thousands, if not millions of people back from being the person and achieving what they can out of this life. And I know you're aware, but just like me, you only have one life as well, and this is it. And what we get to achieve in this life is our own, and what we don't get to achieve, that's it. We will never achieve. So it's up to us to actually go and make the most out of our lives and make the most out of our success and make sure that it's the important things to us that we get to do and get to work on. So I want to blast a few of these success myths out there. The first success myth that's out there is all around success depends on privilege. Is that how you spell it? Well, we'll say it is anyway. But it's completely not true. Completely not true. I've studied 150, 200 different successful people and looked at what it is that's made them successful. And there are almost no people out there whose success depended on having money, having their parents and connections, having had been born with an amazing intelligence. It's not true. Almost everyone who's been successful, they've had to learn and graft and figure stuff out and okay, someone might be very intelligent and use that and learn how to use that to be successful. But there are just as many people who were not intelligent but were able to make connections with people who were intelligent and make that happen. Just the same way as some people are born with loads of money and yes, it makes it easier for them to go and finance their business. So too there are millions of people who have no money who are able to get those finances themselves by networking and getting investors on board. So the idea that you have to have money or intelligence or privilege is just not true. And the great thing about it is it's not just me who says that. There's a very famous guy called Napoleon Hill who's about 1928. He released his book, and what he did was he actually got to influence or to interview about 100 of the US's most influential people at that time. So we're talking about people like Ford and Edison and Chase and the big founders of the US. And he went through and he identified 16 traits that successful people had. And again, not one of them, not a single one, wasn't something that people like me or you could actually go and learn if we wanted to. So it's a great message. Why that myth is there, you go check yourself. You go and find any successful person and have a detailed look at their life, not the one that's put out in the media about them. Have a look at their detailed life and how they got to be successful. And you will find that it wasn't just they were born into something or they just had this, they just had that. You will find that typically they had a focus. They either, they got into it, they worked hard, they found stuff, they pulled it together themselves, and there wasn't anything that they did that you couldn't have done yourself too.